I'm about to come over this wonderful Greek household, and Despina, Chrissochos, is preparing some loukoumades. I'm sure you probably want to know how they're made, so we'll see. Maybe she'll be kind enough to tell us the recipe.
Hey, what are you making?
I made loukoumades for George, but I had to make more.
Oh, wow. For George? But isn't he fasting now?
Yes. So this is the one dessert that we can make for him that has no eggs, no milk, and I'm frying it in canola oil so he doesn't have to worry about the olive oil problem either.
That's right, it's Russian Lent.
Yes, because remember he's always 13 days after our Panayas.
Can I try some?
Oh, you want some, man?
Ah, I do.
And this is why I had to make extra, because you and the girls, you just eat this up like it's the best thing ever. Good?
Very good.
Alright.
Bravo.
Thank you.
A quick and easy Greek recipe of loukoumades. First, you want to proof your yeast to make sure that it's working properly. To proof yeast, you would use 1 packet of yeast or 2.5 teaspoons of loose yeast to 1/2 cup of lukewarm water to 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir and let proof about 2 to 3 minutes. Before adding the remaining 1.5 cups of lukewarm water, make sure that your yeast has properly proofed. You'll see lots and lots of bubbles. Next, add 2/3 cup of sugar to 3.5 cups of flour. Slowly add the flour until it is completely incorporated into the mixture. Don't overmix your batter, otherwise it's going to become very glutinous, and then you're going to have some sticky loukoumades. Cover your dough with some plastic wrap or a kitchen towel and place in a warm area for it to rise to double about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. I prefer to use my oven. What I did is I preset it on warm as I was mixing my dough, turned it off, and then placed it into a warm oven. It's been about 1.5 hours and my dough has doubled in size. The loukoumades are now ready to be fried in my hot canola oil that has been heating up in the pot next to me. Fill up whatever pot you have to about the halfway point and let it heat up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the optimal temperature for your loukoumades to fry. There are 2 methods to get your loukoumades in the hot oil. The first method is to dip your spoon in water, make a rounded teaspoon of the dough, and drop it right into that oil. You're going to repeat this procedure until all your batter is used. Hey Billy, I'm making loukoumades. Yeah, you want some. The second method, which is the traditional method, is you're going to put your hand in the batter, grab some batter in a fistful, squeeze it out between your thumb and forefinger, and use the teaspoon to catch the dough. Drop it into the oil. Make sure that you're dipping your spoon in the water before you get your next batch. Continue until you've used all your batter. Let the loukoumades fry in the oil for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. Make sure to turn them at least once. Take the loukoumades out of the oil and place them on a baking sheet that has been lined with paper to soak up the excess oil. The traditional method of serving loukoumades is while they're still warm and to drizzle them with some nice honey, a little cinnamon for some spice in your life, and if you really want to get fancy, crush some walnuts on top.
Hey!
You're supposed to leave the fork behind.
Oh, good.
Yeah?
Despina really nailed it. I can't wait to try this. It sounds like it's really delicious, and the best part is it's Lenten, so you can do this at any time of year if you want. Please join us at Prometheus Eats for more recipes, and we're very much looking forward to having you also look at all of our other interesting programming that we have out here. Please like and subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you very much.